How to fix disabled accounts cannot be contacted problem on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can fix if you are facing problem on Instagram where you cannot contact the disabled account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, we will understand why that problem might have occurred. So that problem might occur if the contact that you are trying to message has recently deactivated their account or disabled their account, and now they have reactivated their account back. So whenever you are trying to message that contact, if you see the error message as disable account cannot be contacted even though they have reactivated their account, so here's how you can fix it. First of all, try to restrict and unrestrict that account. So to restrict that account, head over to their profile. So once you're here, tap on their name at the top. So once you land on this kind of interface, tap on the options, and here now you could restrict this contact. From here, tap on restrict. So once you restrict that account, go back, refresh your application. So close the application completely, reopen your Instagram application. Now all you have to do is again restrict or unrestrict that account. Tap on the chat icon, go to your request, and here you will find your contact under your request. If you cannot find it here, you could simply search for that contact. Tap on the search icon, and in the search bar, now search for that contact. Here is the contact that you have restricted. Tap on the three dot icon at the top right, and here tap on unrestrict. So once you unrestrict, you can go back to your chat piece and try to message that contact again and see if that works out for you. And in case if that does not work out, then the second option is to follow and unfollow that contact. Again, go to their profile, tap on the three dot icon, and here you could simply unfollow it. If you cannot find it here, tap on the following button, and here tap on unfollow. After that, refresh your application, open up the application, and now search for that contact again, and then you have to follow it, and now follow this account again. So after you do that, try to send the message to that contact again. That will help you solve your problem. And in case if that does not still help you, then you can simply uninstall the application, reinstall it back, log in back to your account. That will give you application a fresh restart, and your problem will be solved. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.